Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Just Arnold. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make some quick cash with the Paripesa games. So these will be my top pick games that you can play to make some quick cash. So if you're not yet registered with Paripesa, make sure you register. So you just go and register by phone. Put in your phone number and put in the promo code BONA. So BONA is a promo code. It will give you 100% of your first deposit as a bonus. So before I start, make sure to like and subscribe to this video if you find it useful. So once you register, you simply log in. I'll leave the link in the description for you to access and register. And once you log in or register, make sure you link your number, you change your password, you add your security question. You can skip out the two-factor authentication, you can leave it out, fill in your personal profile and block email. So let me just log into my account and I show you the rest. So we are in my account, and once you are logged in, you simply click on games, which is right here. So we have a variety of games that we can place our money on and make extra cash, but I'll show you my top picks. And you simply go on the best, which is here, and go to all, click on all. Then you're going to find these best popular games. Then we have this game called Dice. So this is the first game I want to show you, called Dice. So I click on Dice. So when you click on Dice, so your dice is red and the dealer's dice is black. So you have to have a higher number than the dealer. So the dealer is in black. So the minimum stake you can put is 5 kwacha and the maximum is 2,744 kwacha. So I'll put the minimum for demonstration as 5 kwacha just to show you, and you roll the dice. So place your bet. So I lost, better luck next time, so I increase my stake with 10 and I win. So you have to increase your stake when you lose and reduce your stake when you win. So I'll put 5 kwacha, place a bet, and it's a draw. If it's a draw, you put back the same amount and you place the bet. So again, it's a draw, so I get to win a 6 kwacha, which is only 1 kwacha profit. Then I put another one because the dealer and I have the same number, which is 6, so both are the same. So I'll place another bet. So the dealer won and I lost, so I'll increase it and I win back my money. Let's put 5 again. It's a draw, so my money is I've made a profit of 1 kwacha and I win. So you see that if you continue putting in and being patient enough, having a good strategy, you can actually make good money out of this game. So I won't delay, let me go to the next game. So now we go to lotteries. You can find lotteries right there. When you click on lotteries, you scroll and find rock paper scissors, which is right here, and you click on it. So this is rock paper scissors. If you want to find out how to win this game, you simply click on the information icon, which is there. So I click on the information icon. When you click on it, it will tell you how to play and how you can win and how you can lose. So this is simply a guessing game, but the chances of you winning are actually higher compared to the chances of you losing. So I'll simply go with rock and put a 5 kwacha. I'll put a 5 kwacha just to demonstrate this game. So rock. So I win. I'll put another 5. I lose. So I increase to 10. So I draw. So let me increase, put a 25. And choose rock. So I win. Let's go big or go home. We increase it to 250. Pepper. And I win a 700. So that was nice and easy and quick. So you just need to have good stake and you'll be good to go. So each time you lose, you increase the stake. Just increase it. And when you win, you reduce your stake so that you just doing profits. So that's that. The other game I want to show you is, let me just find it. So from lotteries, let's move to climb to victory. So climb to victory is here. So I click on it. Then you look for kamikaze. So kamikaze is here. It's right here. So you click on it. This is one of my favorite games I love to play. So as usual, your stake is 5. Your highest stake is 2,732 kwacha for this game. So kamikaze, simply you have to help the Japanese pilot to destroy the enemy battleship. So let's start with a 20 kwacha. Start with a 50 kwacha, because I love this game. So you have to not get hit by the ship. So I'll go for this box. So I win a 60 kwacha. So you can see the odds here. Okay, as you go higher, you can win a higher amount, or you can take your current amount of money you have. So I have a 60 currently, but I want to win more, so I'll go with 1.4. So I win a 70. So you see guys how easy you can make this. You can make money using this game. And I'll go with the last one. So I've made 100. So I'll take my winnings and run away. So I win 100. Then I can reduce it. I put a 15, or let's put a 5 and play the game again. So I'll go with this box. So I can just simply go with different boxes and see how much money you can make. So I made a 7, and I saw you guys, you get the point. Yeah, so you have to make sure that it does not hit you. So you need to know when to get your money and when to run away. So we'll try again. moving. So I've made an 8 kwacha from the 5 kwacha and to reach 2. So I've reached 2, so I'll take my winnings and I have made my profit. So these are the games. And the last game I want to show you is not on the app currently, it's on the website. So let me go on the website and show you the game from there. So this is how the Paripesa website looks like. If you want to find the links to the website and the mobile application, I'll leave my Telegram group. You can find the links in there, or you can simply join my WhatsApp group and I'll share the link to that. So this is the other game. This is called Crash. Others call it as Aviator. So let me just log in. Okay, so I've logged in. So this is another game that I play but not so often. It's one of those games that you have to be really patient. I don't have that much time to be patient. So you can see people are winning. Let me just show you the history. So you can see the people are betting 198. Others are betting 82 kwacha. Others are betting 25 kwacha. So you simply put your amount. I'll put 100. So all you have to do is cash out before the plane crashes. Let's wait for 1.5 cash out. So I have won a 197. So let me reduce. Let me put a 50 kwacha. Place a bet. This game, you just really have to be patient with it, otherwise you can make good money if you just sit down and relax. Cash out. So I've made an 86 kwacha. So I'm already in profit right now. Let's put another 50. And cash out 1.5. So 1.5, let me cash out. So I have cashed out. So I made my profit. So I want to just show you what happens if it crashes. If I delayed cash out before time. So let me put a 5 kwacha so I'm willing to lose a 5 kwacha. So I'll leave this 5 kwacha to go. So there. So if you delay to cash out before, you lose your money. So you just need to make sure you observe the plane, you see how it's going, see the history, and you'll be good to go. So mostly in the night, this is the best time to play this game when there are few players. Otherwise, remember to use the promo code BWANA if you want to register using Paripesa. I'll do another video on between on some of the games you can play to make money. If you found this video useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Good luck.